So, I messed around and picked probably the biggest website for a doctor ever made. This thing has so many pages. I cannot believe it. This is like the most vast, dense dental website ever. But the reason I put it in full screen is to let you guys know, like, I did all this. This is a massive amount. I just put some headphones in, listened to some music, got all the information I needed, and um, when I stopped that screen recording, it was at 7:45, and it's 8:19. So, I mean, that's how long it takes to do, the quote unquote hard work here. Um, and as I went, I did some footnotes. So, as you can see, the contact us here, I put should show how to contact you, not just an appointment request form. So if you go there, their website, now it just, when you press contact us, it brings you to an appointment request form. You can't click this, anything like that. I mean, obviously there's a way to contact them right here, but just for the sake of, you know, looking clean, I think there should be something there. And I had a few more notes as well. So I'm going to go ahead and install this theme. Since it's been up for a really long time, I'm just going to refresh this. I don't want anything to go wrong while it's installing the pre-built website. So we got Dentist 3. That's the one I want. Click here, just pop in really quick. So if you're looking at a pre-built website here and it's not like mine, something that you'll see here sometimes is you might need another plugin before you install. So before you click install here, you install everything that you need to before you click that. So I'm going to click WooCommerce here. I'm not going to commit to the entire thing because I'm not going to have a store, but you would click install now, and then on the plugins page you would see your plugins, and then you would click activate on, in that case it would be WooCommerce. So install it there, then click activate on the plugins, make sure that it is activated, then go back and everything should say active. Once everything says active here, then press install. We're having a hurricane warning, so things are a little bit slow right now. Hopefully that doesn't do anything crazy. We'll click next. We want to keep all of this. Everything right here, we'll keep all that. And do not close this window. Don't mess around with your other tabs. Just let it do its thing. Don't do anything. Perfect. All right. So BeDentist 3 is successfully installed. Let's preview it. Let's check it out. So just going to make sure everything went well. Yep, that's exactly how it should look right now. That's exactly how it should look. All right. So we're going to get started.